Hi, I'm Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Are there any genetic tests to see if there are any genetic abnormalities in you or the embryo that is not implanting in your body or in your fetus? To find out, let's dive into this topic. So we'll begin with whether you have any genetic abnormalities. So if we talk about pure fertility reasons, mostly genetic abnormalities could be because you have mutations in your chromosomes or an extra set of chromosomes or chromosome, or you have a hereditary congenital chromosomal issue, or there is a part of chromosome which is duplicated or inverted or not there at all. These issues can also cause genetic abnormalities. To know if you have all chromosomes, all sets of chromosomes in the right order, a karyotype is conducted. Karyotype is a blood test. It's a very simple test where all your chromosomes are analyzed to see if there are 23 pairs. Now in the 23 pairs, one pair is a sex chromosome, XX or XY if you're a male. This is also investigated using a karyotype. But if there is a particular disorder that you want to find out, then a carrier screening can be done. Carrier screening is usually a blood test again to find out if you are a carrier of a particular disorder. Why do we do this? Suppose you had an IVF and the embryos did not implant. Suppose you have had a abnormal child before, or you've had a miscarriage, you've had an abortion or a preterm stillbirth. Under such circumstances, the fetus can be investigated to see if there were any chromosomal abnormalities. If there were chromosomal abnormalities, in future your embryos can be analyzed for chromosomal disorders. This is called as pre-implantation genetic testing. Through IVF, embryos are created and they are tested for genetic abnormalities. If there are genetic abnormalities, such embryos are discarded and the ones with no abnormalities and proper number of chromosomes are transferred back into your uterus to enhance your success rate. So fertility can be definitely enhanced by these certain tests which investigate whether all your chromosomes are fine, which is karyotyping, whether you're carrying a disorder, which is carrier screening, or pre-implantation genetic testing for aneuploidy for the right number of chromosomes, which is PGTA, or a monogenic disease which is called as PGTM. Monogenic diseases can be found out like thalassemia, sickle cell anemia. All these also can be investigated and the right kind of embryo, the healthy embryo, can be put back into your uterus to increase your chance of success. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.